Okay, I'm going to be both picking and raking open this very weathered master lock number 3. Go ahead and put it in my vise. I'll start with picking. Top of the keyway tension, and using a deforest diamond from the Dangerfield practice kit in 15 thousandths. That was a click on 2, click on 1, another click on 2, another click on 1, that was a click on 3, 2, 3, and just nudged 2. So there's an open. Now, getting a master lock open the easy way, I'll use bottom of the keyway tension and a Bogota from the Dangerfield practice kit in 23 thousandths. Light tension, and we're open. That's it.